Hello, welcome to another Talk on Money, Business and Investing. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the brand here at Master Investor. Ensure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you know when we go live or upload a valuable talk that can literally change our finances forever. Today I want to speak about being OCD when it comes to wealth, meaning that we need to be detail oriented about our business and our investments. We talked about being active at investing, meaning that we are taking part on the raising the capital, putting the deal together, choosing the team, figuring out the cash flow analysis of the investment. There are 5 different asset classes that exist. They all require financial education. Here at Master Investor, we have ebooks, digital courses, and much more on our website. Click the link in the description. Get inside of our inner circle. Go get our ebook and digital course, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On. We also have the 10 New Rules of Money and How to Invest in Crypto to Build Wealth. We're working on our 4th ebook, should be released the next month, and we will be releasing more products to help us raise our financial IQ, to help us build true wealth. Now, being OCD when it comes to wealth, if you study all the greats when it comes to making money, the wealthiest financial investors in the world, these individuals are highly detailed when it comes to our businesses, when it comes to building our empire. We have to be OCD. Just like other people are OCD about different things, when it comes to building wealth, we have to be OCD. So majority of people have been taught not to talk about money when they're off work, or not even during work. They're not even supposed to be talking about money with their co-workers, and because this is the employee mindset. That is the employee mindset. We want to have the wealthy entrepreneur mindset, which is the one that embraces wealth, the one that talks about money, about bettering the economy. How are we going to improve people's lives by solving a problem in the world? But in order for that to even succeed and get off the ground, we need to have what is called, or what at least I call it OCD regarding wealth. Having OCD regarding wealth, purposely, intentionally becoming OCD when it comes to building our businesses. So if our ads campaigns are not looking right because something needs to be changed, we can't go to sleep before we change it, okay? And we don't play around with that. We become uncomfortable if we don't change it, we don't fix it or improve it or tweak it once we find out that we haven't done something that we're supposed to do when it comes to our business in building our asset column. An asset puts money into our pocket whenever we're not working, and it's a system or systems doing the selling and telling for us. In other words, a true business is solving a problem in the world. Every business is created to solve a problem in the community, and hopefully we're choosing a problem that can be solved around the world using the internet, because when we sell online, we can literally position ourselves in front of thousands and billions of people, for that matter, with one click. Everybody can buy at the same time, and all we have to do is put that message and that product in front of the right customer, understanding our niche, understanding our customer, what do they want, and putting that in front of them, and getting new customers from our competitors, because we are innovating. We have used maybe less resources, we have added more value into the product, into the solution, and we're charging probably less than the competitors, and we're winning a new database. It's all about expanding. It's all about finding out what people truly want. Everybody is always looking for something, and remember, we have to be successful at reading people, understanding people's emotions, okay? And then most importantly, having the 8 integrities of a wealthy business, which the 8 integrities are explained inside of the cash flow triangle. You'll find that data inside of our ebooks. Go get the ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet. It comes with additional assets when you get it on our website. You can also find it on Amazon, but go to our website because it comes with bonuses and other documents and important data that can help us build more wealth fast. It's all about doing it with guidance and ease. We keep things extra simple when it comes to building our asset column. If the numbers works in good deals and the numbers do not work in bad deals, it's that simple. We have to know how to crunch the numbers, how to read financial statements, how to improve the financial statements that we're reading, starting with our personal financial statement. When you get our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, you'll find a financial statement that is blank. It can be printed or download into Excel, which is even better because we have to update that as we move forward, right? We need to figure out what is our passive income today, what is our expenses, what is our standard of living cost, and we need to figure out how to get out of the rat race if that's where the person is today, and have an exit strategy to come out of the rat race. A lot of people spend their entire life working for money and never figuring out how to make more money by investing and using the capital that they're making through their job to invest in assets that produce passive income and true wealth, right? And capital gains income. Those are the two types of income that we can get from investing. Passive income, or also known as positive cash flow, and capital gains income. Passive income stacks at the lowest bracket. Rule number one in our community here at Master Investor is that we work to build passive income and multiply money through sound investing. Okay, once we focus on passive income, then we automatically will also attach ourselves to assets that will create capital gains income, because in certain asset classes, some assets will only produce capital gains income, and we're going to have a plan for all those profits to be reinvested back into different assets and even bigger assets than the ones that we're currently controlling. So at the end of the day, organization, I said it earlier, right? Becoming more organized can change our wealth tremendously, enormously. Can take us to a whole different level when it comes to building wealth by just being organized. So write that down, become more organized in your life, and of course become OCD when it comes to wealth and money and talking about business, okay? OCD meaning that we are very detailed and we're focused on details when it comes to our wealth, starting with our personal financial statement. That is the message of today. Let me know if you learned something new. I hope to see you on the next video. And of course, inside of our inner circle, click the link in the description and let me know if you have any questions. In fact, let's go for a short walk and we can just finish up talking about this one important topic, which is how to create passive income successfully. Not giving our money away to somebody to invest it for us. We are actively investing. There's a difference between a passive investor and an active investor. An active investor is a master investor. Now, an active investor must receive passive income, must live and thrive through passive income. Otherwise, it's not an active or a master investor. Remember, master investor specifically focus on working to build passive income and make money, work hard through sound investing. So we don't earn like the average human being does. We don't have a job where we show up and we get a check. No, we have assets that are producing passive income and capital gains income, and we continue to reinvest in our self-development, in our financial education, and of course to ultimately acquire additional assets, right? And expand our wealth, because freedom is not measured just with dollars. If that was the case, then everybody will be wealthy, right? Like, wealth is not measured just with dollars. That's what I meant to say, okay? It's not measured just with money, because otherwise everybody will be wealthy, and people that have money are not wealthy because they don't have freedom, and freedom is linked directly to being wealthy. You cannot be wealthy if you don't have freedom, okay? Freedom is the ultimate price of wealth. That's the total price. That's the ultimate reward, is that we have total freedom. When we have assets, we can do whatever we want with our time. And so how long can we go with the lifestyle that we have without working and worrying about running out of money because we have assets and businesses that are producing passive income and capital gains income? How long can we go? How many years? That is our wealth number. So figure out how much wealth do we have now. Put all the money that you have to get there right now, count it up, figure out the wealth, the number, your amount that you pay per month, your standard, the living cost, right? The standard of living cost that you have today. with all your bills. Just download the financial statement inside of our digital course, and then how long can you go without working? Some people can only go 3 months before they start freaking out. So the first step is to get our financial education and then start investing in active investments that you are involved in. In other words, don't invest in things that you're giving the money away to somebody else. You're going to start a business, then you're going to go ahead and incorporate. You're going to maybe even hire a company that will incorporate the company, but you're doing it yourself. You have control. The business is under, you control it 100%, right? You're starting the company, you're launching the brand, you're understanding how to build a business from the ground up. You're also investing in different asset classes. There are 5 asset classes. Number 1, business. Number 2, real estate. Number 3, crypto. Number 4, paper assets. Number 5, commodities. They all require financial education, like I mentioned earlier. And that's why we talk about money in our channel every single day. When it comes to investing, we got to cover business, because every investment has a business underneath. And a business is created to solve a problem in the world. So we want to start a business to eventually buy all the assets, and we would use the passive income from that business and the profits to invest in creating more wealth. And that's the holy grail, to have businesses that we control, not only that we purchase, but we also can build from ground up, and we can have those profits buy us other assets that are producing more cash flow. And that way we are tapping into something that is creating money from thin air. It's literally becoming wealthy for free. We position ourselves like the ultra wealthy, legally and correctly, to obtain everything for free. But it takes financial education. So a lot of people talk about it takes money to make money. Well, not really, because a lot of people have money and they can still make money with that money through sound investing. So what it takes really is financial education first, and then we can use money to make more money, and we can use no money to make money by raising capital from the front end and selling a product that is not even, let's say, created. Maybe it's pre-sold, it's being pre-sold to the community and they're buying it, and the product is just a prototype. So we have to become masters at raising capital from the front end and from the back end. From the front end means the customers, the end user, and from the back end means the banks, private lenders, investors, business partners, friends, families, people that are interested in the brand because they can see our business growing. They can see it's not just a business, it's a true brand that has intrinsic value and business integrity. Intrinsic value means that is protected, that is registered, that the logo is protected, that whatever it's doing as a company, the solution that is providing to the world is protected through a patent, through the legalities that it needs, okay? And then it needs to have business integrity, which means that it has to make profits. And that's what we create a business, is to solve a problem and also give us the bottom line, or what we know as positive cash flow, or also known as passive income, okay? So rule number 1 in our community is that we work to build passive income and make money work hard through sound investing. So get inside of our inner circle. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for joining me once again on this extraordinary video, bringing the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Thank you for being a partner and subscriber of our brand here at Master Investor, and stay focused. And remember, be OCD when it comes to building wealth. In conclusion, be detailed, very detailed, focus on details about building our businesses. Every day we should be waking up with a plan of action, exactly knowing the steps that we're going to embark on to move our business forward and create more passive income so that we have more wealth. And remember, freedom and wealth is measured with freedom, it's measured with time. So wealth is measured with time, not just money. It's measured with time, because we have to figure out how long can we go without working and without worrying about running out of money. How long can we go, right? Without working and still thrive with the lifestyle that we like to have, and we can improve it too. It's not about shrinking ever, it's about expanding at all time and living above our means. Anyway, remember, an asset puts money in our pocket, and a liability takes money out of our pocket. There's nothing wrong with having liabilities as long as we build and acquire assets that are producing passive income and capital gains income, which that income will be used to satisfy any liabilities expense. So at the end, we obtain everything for free. And that's how a master investor does it. Thank you for joining me, and make sure you share, like, and comment. Bye for now.